Hey there YouTube, this is Master 9, and today I'm bringing you a Hot Wheels car review, back again with another commentary video. And these two Hot Wheels car reviews are against some old Hot Wheels cars. I'm actually doing two Hot Wheels car reviews. I'm doing two cars in one video, so here is the 1963 Thunderbird, and this car is from 2005, and this car is a 1936 Cord. Both of them are from 2005, and you're probably wondering why this 1963 Thunderbird is already unboxed. It's because yesterday I was doing a video on this car, and then while I was uploading it didn't work for some reason. Well, I'm gonna do it again. So that's why I didn't upload a video yesterday, because you know why. I told you. So here's the cover for the fourth Thunderbird. It's part of the Muscle Mania series. Well, that cover's gone. Well, yeah. And also the car has this symbol on it. Every Muscle Mania car has that symbol. You can collect 5 cars out of it. Well, I know you can't read the box, the covering, because it's so hard for you to read. I'll put some annotations on the left, just like I did in my last video. So, here's the car. There's the front of it. And there's the right side of it. It's got those three vinyl things there, and a black vinyl stripe. Some nice wheels. And it's a lowrider. Well, not a lowrider, but yeah. Here's the back of it. There's the right side of it. Also, the right side has that. I know it's hard for you to see, but that's the Muscle Mania symbol. It doesn't have it on the right. So yeah. And there's the inside of it. Yeah. So that's it for the 1963 Thunderbird. Let's get on to the 1936 Cord. So here it is. It's from 2005. Here's the back of it. And there's actually some series, and I'm pretty sure you can read them. Well, you can pause the video right there. There you go. So, it says collect them all. They're just series. And let's get unboxing this car. So this car's been in the package since 2005. So it's been in the package for over 10 years now. Okay, so here it is. Here's the 1936 Cord. There's the front of it. Okay. There's the left side of it. It's got that Hot Wheels logo over there. And this is a classic car. I don't know if you can see right there, but I know you can't see it, but there's like some kind of a symbol there. I don't know what it resembles, but whatever. Also, it's got these like classic wheels that they have on like one of the older Hot Wheels cars. So that's pretty nice. So here's the back of it. Look at that bumper. Looks pretty nice. And it's like one of those classic cars. So, there it is. The 36 cord. So it's actually a nice car to display because it's got these front and rear bumpers. Oh no, there's nothing much going on with this car. This was a classic car. So yes, that's it for this video. I'm actually gonna be uploading another video today, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna come like sometime during the day, and hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to follow me on Google Plus. The link's in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to me for some more videos. And I'll see you all next time. Sorry this video's long.